Okay, everybody, this is Ian, and this is a short video on affiliate marketing using web directories, authority sites, or the community content marketing model. So, over the last couple of days, I've spoken to many people on the phone, or over the last week anyway, about affiliate marketing. One of the things that people tend to be somewhat confused about or a little bit apprehensive about is how to incorporate affiliate marketing into a web directory or an authority site marketing model, right? So one of the things that I recommend is seeding your site with affiliate offers. It's really easy. It gives you a good foundation or a firm foundation of initial listings to add, and it really works. It's a great way of augmenting or supplementing your income with offers that convert very well. Now, of course, you want to make these relevant to your audience, your locality, your niche, et cetera, et cetera. But what you're going to find is that there happens to be a fair amount of just crossover, right? So, I mean, there's a universality, if that's a word, to some offers that really apply in any market. So something like web hosting or email marketing like MailChimp or domain registration, that applies in a local marketplace for businesses who are coming online every day as much as it does for an entrepreneurial style marketplace where someone like myself is more competitive, right? So you can use those same sorts of universal offers in both universes. So let's look really quickly. I did a video a couple months. I'm going to link to it below that you can watch, where I actually talk about this specific offer. So this is ShareTribe, which is a marketplace style peer-to-peer e-commerce oriented platform, right? This is today's the 23rd of August, I think. It's 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. These are just the conversions on ShareTribe predicated on pretty much a web directory model, right? So there's a listing that I'm recommending folks check out who are interested in building marketplaces in one of the communities that I have with some other folks that is geared towards entrepreneurs. So here you can see the 23rd, which is today or overnight, the 21st, the 21st, the 20th, the 17th, the 16th, the 11th. This converts like crazy on autopilot. I could show you other similar offers like Shopify, like Podia. I've showed these in the past that are primarily free trial offers that I'm incorporating into a listing format on a directory that people who come to the directory to sign up or check out, even if they don't sign up, they often click on the links to these relevant programs or software services and they buy them or they try them. And those that convert become my referrals for life, right? So here is the video that I covered this in a little bit more detail a couple months ago, maybe 6 months ago. And actually, I specifically point out and entered ShareTribe as one of the programs, right? And you can see here, it converts wonderfully well. This is a high dollar offer, and these convert. I don't do anything. They just convert every day on autopilot. It's certainly not a, solitary source of income or something that I count on as some, foundational element of my business. It's just one of many affiliate offers that in aggregate adds up to a real revenue generation stream. All right. So you can find those in your own community, regardless of what you're doing, what you're building, even if it's hyper local and you're building, a directory in your local community. The same style offers, maybe not something like ShareTribe, but certainly GoDaddy, something like MailChimp, something like ConvertKit, something like Namecheap. There are just an avalanche of affiliate or partner programs that anyone watching this can incorporate into any sort of directory. And not only can you put it in the directory itself, you can add those offers to your store. You can add them to the content curation piece of your community. You can add articles. You can do reviews of things. Again, even if you're building a local niche community, it's a great way, or a local, just town-oriented community. This is equally as appropriate as it would be for someone like myself who is targeting more entrepreneurial type of folks. All right. So if you want to get on the phone with me and sort of brainstorm how to incorporate this style approach into your business, into your brand, into your blog, you can schedule a call here. I'll have a link on YouTube where you can do that. And if you want to join our Platform 10X launch for digital media brands, this is my best one-on-one mastermind thinking with you, specifically, directly, intimately on the phone, week over week. We are just about sold out of the first beta group. So if you're interested, I don't make these sort of hyperbolic kind of scarcity sorts of, silliness. So if you're interested in working with me, this is going to be available later. It's going to be much more expensive. This is a great offer. And it's an affordable opportunity to work in our beta community and really build something great over the next few months. 200% guaranteed. All right. Hope this helps. Affiliate marketing, partner programs. Think about how to incorporate these. If you need help, I am always here to walk you through it. Thanks so much and have a great day.